Cybersecurity professionals and penetration tested, or anyone who falls under cybersecurity that do ethnical hacking, use Nmap in the help of what? Reconnaissance, information gathering to do a whole lot of things, checking for network connectivities and the rest. Now, if you don't have Kaldano Store on your laptop, how are you going to get it? All you have to do is to head to their website and download it. Now, some practical and see how it works. So if you open your Nmap, this is how it look like. If you look at this page, we have what? Z mapping, the same as what? N mapping. And all you have to do is what? Put your target IP address here. It can be a website name. After putting it there, then you come here to choose whether instant scan, pin scan, quick scan, UDP scan, and the rest. Then you can do all your scanning, regular scan. And also, when you come here, they have the port or hold topology, whereby you can see a whole lot of things. I'm just showing you the interface. Next time, in our next video, we are going to look at how the topology work, how when you scan something, how are the information being displayed, the credentials, how are they going, how the credentials are being displayed on your distance. So